welcome back to another video with your girl Simple Sassy. So today is a great day because guess what, I am about to do the butterfly locks. Guys, I have been waiting for so long to try this butterfly distress locks, and now I eventually got the chance to do so. So today's video is sponsored by BOOYOOR, and they have sent me the distress butterfly locks. I got 6 packs, guys. I got 6 packs, and I got a crochet needle and about 4 hair accessories. So you know this one is going to be a bomb. If you have not subscribed, go ahead now, subscribe to my channel, like all the videos. At the end, please leave a comment so that I can know whether or not you like this style. If you need details on this hair, the details of this hair will be placed in the description below so you can have access to all information. So I am not going to hold on to your time. So without further ado, let us get right into this video. So guys, at this point I'm just going to go ahead and create my pattern for my crochet. So stay tuned, stay connected while I get this pattern done. Now I am going to crochet the hair onto her hair, and as you can see I already started the process. So what I'm going to do is just to show you how I crochet the braid onto her hair. So what I did first is to open the loop of the hair. At the top there is a loop, guys, so I open it a little bit wider. Then I attach the braid onto the hook. Then I take the end of the braid and pull it through the loop, and then you have your crochet. So with that being said, let us continue the process.